challenge we have, while UPI growth has been very substantial even now, one challenge we have is bringing entire communities living in tribal and rural areas into formal financial system. That is our challenge. And many places we have also challenge of internet. Therefore, offline transactions, rural transactions is a challenge. Therefore, if you can notice, large number of fintechs actually are innovating and connecting the rural communities and also offline products. Once we do that, I think the entire country will be on the formal financial system and will be able to do digital payments.
So we keep hearing about the MDR charges, that there are every 2 weeks there are reports that MDR charges may be levied. So is there any proposal on table with government where MDR charges be levied? Because you can only clear this confusion for one and final, that means what will happen on the MDR going ahead?
Government has only said we are not imposing MDR charges. That we have told. Government has issued statements. And only the media has been writing. So we are not concerned if the media keep writing one paper or the other. But the government is very clear. We have also clarified through press statements. The government is not imposing the.
So what is the plan?
Thank you so much.
What is the plan for
most of the insurance companies, means all insurance companies have given the complete 18% benefit to the policy holders, and they have taken some ITC hit, and in the PSU insurers they have not reduced the agent commission also. So is there any discussion between insurance companies who have held that going ahead, what will be the way forward?
See, each company will be having its own business plan of meeting how they are going to meet the expected in INC, input tax credit ITC. Now, some in the PSU insurers, they have a plan of expanding the business, okay, whereas some other companies are reducing the commissions. So each one will design their own business plan as per their strength. But one thing is sure, all the insurers, both public and private sector, have reduced the insurance cost through the GST. When the GST became zero, the GST is nobody collecting.
We didn't get to ask questions.
But ma'am, there is already a plan schedule.
He's answering, relax.
Stake sale in PSU banks, the government is planning stake sale in some of the PSU banks.
That we have already given approval.
Right. So when
The process this year.
There's already a plan schedule. There's a session to be started. Can we move out? Sure.
Can we do it outside somewhere?
Sorry, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, only 2 questions.
Huh?
Only 2 questions and we'll be done.
Yeah.
Sir, continuing Gopika's question, sir, you were talking about...
That was already announced. That I think you should see newspapers. We have.
Why?
No. It's a process, no. It's a process. Keep on.
And sir, when will they, invite bids for the ITPI?
I have already answered.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.